Liberty truck, American made. This is really, where America was coming into the war, they were, don't enter the war until 1917, but they're already displaying their industrial might. And this is the thing that will keep the war going, particularly in World War II. Now, the Liberty truck is the first truck ever formally adopted by the US Army. So this is the direct ancestor to your Deuce and a Halfs and everything else that came after. Built in 1917-18, but by a number of different companies. This is one of the things about the mobilisation of industry. Give these guys a wave as they come past. Our victorious infantry, well done.